Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to go over a new interface with a Python interpreter that has been introduced. So it's called Bpython. So let me just go ahead and actually show you what Bpython is all about. So it is a Bpython, and then it will open up the Bpython interface, the Python interpreter. So you can see it's just not the normal Python that you are used to. So you can just do a hello world, and then we can run that. So you can just see we have the text highlighting the so it also lists the argument that you're supposed to pass. For example, it says a print. You can see the list of arguments that I need to pass. It just like works like a normal editor, but it is within the terminal, right? That's what Bpython is all about. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this tutorial. So let's just go to the official documentation so that we can read more about Bpython. So this is the official homepage. You can also go to the about section just to read about Bpython. So this is a place where you see all the features. So it has like text, inline text, syntax highlighting, like it highlights the text. It also has autocomplete features. It also it also lists the expected parameters. You can also do rewind. You can also save the code to the file. Okay, so you can just go to the official documentation and read more about it. So now let's go ahead and see how we can install that Bpython. So just go here into PyPy, and then you type in Bpython and copy this command, and then you move to your terminal and you simply paste it. But first let's exit this. So to exit the Bpython terminal, you can just type in exit, just like the normal Python terminal interpreter, right? And then you exit, you can this, and then you exit that. I'll clear the screen. So I'll just press Ctrl Shift and V to paste my code, which you copied from the command which I copied from PyPy, and then .org, and then I'll simply change that to be pip3 since I'm using Python 3 and I'm on Linux. If you're on Windows, I think it's just pip, and I think the same applies for MacBooks. Also Macs, you can also use pip3. So I'm not very familiar with that, but you can just research online, right? So now that you can see that my requirements are already satisfied because I installed this prior to making this tutorial, so that you can save some time. So after you have installed it, to start it, you just have to say Python, and then you can start it this way, and then you can write your code. So you can just go print. You already say print. Let's say to define a function called hello, and it also saves the things that you have in memory. So I've just did this a few minutes ago. So just print, and I'm going to be using an f string. So hello. Let me just remove this part. You can see I have that autocomplete there, autocomplete feature. You just press tab to autocomplete. Okay, so I'm just going to say hello, and then I'm going to say here to be the name, and then I'm going to end that right there, end that, and then I'll simply run this, press enter until you see the input arrows. Okay, after that you can call your function, and then I can pass in my name. See, this actually saved in history, so we can get back hello print. So that's how you can write code very efficiently and very easily. So you can also do rewind, like undo something. So just press Control and then R to rewind. It's called rewind, but it's actually undo. Okay, so you can go and read about it. So you can just say hello. Let's test the autocomplete feature. It has been bugging me for a while. Okay, so if you want to autocomplete, you just press type in the thing, and then you press the right arrow. It will autocomplete it for you. That's how you do autocomplete in a Bpython. So this is all I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. So you should definitely install Bpython. It makes your coding really experience just amazing. Like for example, if you do like the help, and you can see here, you can see all the argument. It gives you like all the list of all the parameters. It's just like the normal Visual Studio Code or your normal typical editor, right? IDE. So to exit this, you can just type in exit, exit, and then you can exit this way, or you can just press Control and D. Okay, Control and D. Yeah, this will also exit for you. So yeah, this is all I wanted us to talk about in this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and sharing this video with all your friends who might find this interesting. So thank you for watching. See you safe. Keep safe. See you in the next tutorial.